All right, so our tiler is here today making a start. We've got our bathrooms all waterproof. You got to see those all being finished off. And now I'll take you through and show you where the guys are making a start on some of our screeds. Alright, so you've seen some of the wall and floor progress of the tiler. It's coming along pretty well. Back today to do some of the grouting, so you're going to see some of that being finished off, along with some of these niches. You'll see over here we've got an angle to put around the edge, and then just some of the tiling to finish, or some of the edging to finish, and then that's the tiling pretty much done. Then a good wipe down, some silicone, and then the plumbers are ready to come in and fit off. So I'll show you a bit of that progress while he's finishing these bits and pieces, and then the finished product once it's all done. And so you can see here in these niches, we've put that same feature tile, that herringbone Carrara marble, inside the back of these niches on both sides. And so what we'll do now, a little bit of white tile trim around there just to finish it off, and then return those subway tiles back in. We're going to leave a small gap up the top on both sides here so that we can install our little LED lighting, and that just makes a really nice feature. So when you come in at night, instead of having to turn all the bright lights on, you can just flick those little LEDs on, and it just puts a nice little warm glow down on the floor. Look really magic when it's finished. So you've seen a bit of this ensuite. I'll take you for a walk through and show you the remaining wet areas. So we've got the laundry where the floor tiles have just gone down, and then we've got the main bathroom, which is going to be the girls' bathroom. I'll show you those tiles now. So how's that niche? It looks pretty cool. Got the LED light in under there now, so you can see that lights up that little niche in that area. So really happy with how these have come out. You've got to see all our wall tiles, all our floor tiles, and basically all the wet areas get done. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Like or subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to follow us on all our social channels as well. And coming up next, just as a little bit of a teaser, you'll get to see all our water tanks being installed out the back. And then after that, we're gonna have some of our carpentry fit off, plumbing fit off, kitchens, all that sort of stuff. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next episode.